Welcome to Royal Crest, an exquisite apartment project at Trivandrum by Palazhi Homes, where luxury meets privacy. Designed for those who seek the finest in life, Royal Crest offers breathtaking views of lush greenery and a bright open living experience. Step into a world of royal elegance, where sophistication, exclusivity and tranquility come together. Ideally located, Royal Crest ensures effortless access to key destinations across Trivandrum, making everyday life more convenient. Unwind at the rooftop infinity pool, take in panoramic views of New Trivandrum and enjoy leisure and recreation in thoughtfully designed spaces. Royal Crest also features eco-friendly innovations like solar paneling alongside premium amenities including a party hall for celebrations, a children's park, a fully air-conditioned gym, a dedicated children's creche for working families and more. At Palazhi Homes, we redefine comfort, quality and style, delivering a living experience that's truly exceptional. Royal Crest Trivandrum. Experience the grandeur of royal living.